my dear students. I'm an English teacher in Жарылқасын Отырбаев School, and my name is А.Жәнбекова Айнур. Our new theme for today, places in a town. We are going to speak about places in our town or villages. Learning objectives for today. Use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively and cooperatively in groups. Understand the main points of supported extended talk on a range of general and curricular topics. Understand more specific information and the detail of short supported talk on a wide range of familiar topics, curricular topics. New words for our lesson. First, theater, park, department store, gallery, restaurant, fast food, stadium, zoo, cinema, sports center, swimming pool, aquarium, gym. Please remember these words in your memory, okay? Next, task number 1. You should answer for the questions. What places can you see in the pictures? Task number 2. You should answer for 5 questions in written form, okay? For example, in which of these places can you relax? In which of these places can you meet your friends? In which of these places can you see animals or watch a film? And so on. Grammar form. There is and there are. We use there is and there are when we describe our rooms or pictures or our town. We use there is when we talk about only one thing. For example, there is a boy, there is a book. We use there are when we talk about 2 or more things. For example, there are 2 oranges, there are 5 glasses, and so on. Examples. First example is a affirmative sentence. There is a dog in the garden. Next example is a negative sentence. There aren't 60 seconds in a minute. And the next sentence is a question form. Are there any buses to the airport? Task number 1. Complete the sentence using there is, there are. Guys, you should complete this task with there is and there are. And the last one is reflection. Please send me your answer on my email, okay? Goodbye, my dear guys.